Okay guys, this is a 2023 Toyota Corolla XSE. It's their top of the line with their sport package, so it has all the extra body lips and makes it look good. This is a clean title. Does show an accident or two on the Carfax. Sunroof. Start it up here. All your different drive modes, heated seats. So 85,988 on the mile, so almost 96,000 miles. Backup camera. So adaptive cruise, lane assist, all your steering wheel controls. Obviously your sunroof. All your power options. Floor mat. Driver's seat looks good. VIN number. A few scrapes on those wheels. It's the best looking Corolla you can buy right now. XSE, front wheel drive, clean title. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.